Hey, Jim from Delano Mountain Custom Models. Just finished this B&O SD40. Has Tsunami sound in it, EMD 645 in it, LED lighting. Let's get that going forward. May not be the right horn for this model. That's notch 1. Pretty good runner. Custom detailed. Custom weathered. Pretty good runner. Original Athearn motor in there. It didn't seem like it needed anything added. It didn't need a Kato motor. Again, the real test is running at notch 1, which is right there. See, it doesn't jerk, it doesn't hesitate. That's really it. Thanks for watching. Put the drop steps on, wipers, MU hoses, roof eye bolts, all the fuel tank detail, MU stands, air hoses, air hoses, and that's it. The rest was factory. Oh, and the sunshades. Yep. Thanks for watching.